If you've lost sending privileges on your Google account, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check account status. Log into your Google account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status. Look for messages about restrictions or limitations that may have been placed on your account. Step 2. Review sending limits. Understand the sending limit set by Google. If you've exceeded these limits, you may need to wait for a specific period before your privileges are restored. Familiarize yourself with the daily sending limits for Gmail. Step 3. Verify account security. Ensure your account is secure by checking for any unauthorized access. Change your password and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This step helps protect your account from future issues. Step 4. Remove suspicious activity. If you notice any suspicious activity in your account, such as spam or unusual sending patterns, take action to remove it. This may involve deleting sent messages or changing your account settings to prevent further issues. Step 5. Contact Google Support. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generate and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on your Google account. If problems persist, continue to seek help from Google Support.